Hey my beauty family, this is Valya, and in today's video I'll have for you this very beautiful peachy bronzy summery look, which is one of my nicest look for the middle of the summer. So my friends, if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into this video. I have filled in my brows as usual with my eyebrow styler Cyan 10 Dark Blonde, and this is it. Then I have sculpted them up with my Just Touch Liquid Concealer by Golden Rose in the shade 03. I have prepared my lids with the same concealer and now I'm ready to move on to my shadows. In this today's look, my friends, I will have for you a very beautiful soft glam look, peachy soft glam look, especially for the summer. And I'm gonna use my beautiful, lovely palette by Firestone MUA, which is this. So nice, peachy, bronzy, brown, latte colors, beautiful colors. And I'm gonna start with this very fluffy brush and this color, which is a latte color, light nude peachy, latte, anything you want, to apply onto my crease. As I have told you many times, a soft glam look needs only 3 shadows: the crease, a darker for the outer corner and for the inner lid, or a light color, or a shimmery or a matte. Dusting off the excess, starting from the inner part to the outer corner to apply the shadow. With circular motion from the inner part to the outer corner. As you see, it's a very nice light peach color. My shirt is orange today, my blouse. I try to combine both of them, so my earrings are especially in the same between colors. I always like to combine my shirt, my colors, my clothing with my makeup. I'm applying the same onto my other eye, as you see. I don't know for you, my friends, today is 30 by June, Monday, and here in my country we have about 40, and in the noon we will have 42 degrees. The sun, the warming weather is coming, it's here. Circular motion, but I love it. Then I will have this, which is a more flat brush, and I will take the brown, more deep color to do my outer crease. Always dusting off the excess to apply only on the outer part. We apply the dark color only onto the outer crease. I really love this peachy look because this peachy latte warm tone brown colors matches to all the persons and all the personalities. As we have told, the makeup is for our skin, for our personality. Dusting off the excess on the other eye. Only we apply the color only for you beginners onto the outer third, not till the middle. Dusting off the excess. And now I'm going to take my Tommy G clear brush to connect the colors together. We always pull the colors, combine them and pull them on the outer part of the eye, not in the middle. And we need a clear blushing brush to connect the colors. I'm gonna apply a little more on my outer corners, a little more dark color. I think I need this a little more dark, and I will leave it like it is, as you see. I insist on the outer part. And now I'm going to take my very flat brush, which is this, and I will have this very nice peachy color, shimmery color. This is a light, something light, peach, pink, something like this color, peach, pink, orange, very beautiful color. This palette by MUA, Firestone, my friends, it's my opinion. Look how beautiful color this is. These are colors that matches to all of us. I think for you beginners, you can have this palette. It is by MUA, Makeup Academy Greece. And it is very easy to find it, and it has only about $9.95. I'm taking the shimmery color to apply onto the inner part of the lid. You could also apply a matte color, but I really like the shimmery color. My friends, when we are tanned, the person you are tanned, the shimmery color looks more nice on you instead of the matte. On the inner part of the lid. Look how beautiful colors they are. Beautiful colors. Beautiful shimmery peachy brown colors. I think it's perfect. This eye is perfect. Of course, taking my Face Studio Chrome metallic highlighter, which is a gold highlighter, to apply a little under the brow bone area. The highlighter we apply under the brow bone area and a little onto the inner lid, inner corner. Let's have a little of coffee, some coffee, because it's a warm day, a busy day for me. Now what I'm going to do? Now I'm going to apply my eyeliner. I'm going to have my NYX Epic Ink Liner, which is a pen liner, and I have told you many times, my friends, for you beginners, the pen liner is the most easy way to apply your liner. Let's have our eyeliner and go on. My liner is ready, and now moving on to the rest. Last curler. We have to do last curler before we apply our mascara. And don't be afraid of this. Taking my Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Ultra Black Mascara, which is this, I'm gonna apply a little of this onto my natural lashes. I will leave it about to get dry. Then I'm gonna use today this type of lashes. On the inner part shorter, on the outer part longer. I'm gonna take my ILU London lash glue, which is the black glue, because I have wear the black liner, so I can use this. And I will have a little of this onto the lash band. As you see, I apply glue onto the lash band before I wear it. Also, you can wear a clear glue for all your lashes. I have a clear, also a black. When I wear black liners, I use it, or a black pen. I apply on the lash band a little of the product. I'm gonna wait about 1 minute, 1.5 I think, so it's gonna get dry, then I will wear it. And on the other. And don't be afraid of your glue. I will leave them about, I have told you the time. Then I will have my tweezers and wear them. I'm gonna wear them off camera and coming back then. My lashes are ready. As you see, they are very big, very full glam lashes. You can wear any lash you want. I insist on that. You can also leave your natural lash as you want, but in a professional look, I insist on you to wear falsies. And now I'm going to move on to the rest of the face. Taking Banana Blend Primer by MUA. Although before that I have done the whole skincare, it is must. I apply it with my fingers onto my face and a little onto my neck, my Banana Blend Primer. I really love this primer. The yellow color gives some luminosity to my face, the banana primer. Although you have to find the primer that it is on your skin. I'm gonna continue. Golden Rose Fluid Foundation Satin Smoothing. I'm taking my kabuki brush as I always do. Then I'm going to continue with my Golden Rose Just Touch Liquid Concealer onto the inner lid, onto the outer corner, onto the bridge of the nose, onto the mustache area, and a little onto the chin area. And this I'm gonna apply with my kabuki brush also. Continue with my cream bronzer caramel, which is this beautiful, beautiful bronzer onto my cheeks, onto the forehead, onto the jawline, and onto the nose. Bronzer is must for the summer. And I'm gonna apply it with this type of brush or any brush you want. Continuing with my Misty Rose Coral Blush, which I'm gonna apply with this type of brush. You have to apply your liquid products really quick because they are getting dry very, very soon. Continuing with my Glitter Padding by Cyan, which is a clear, very clear highlighter, mousse highlighter. What I'm gonna apply it with yes, this type. Very nice liquid mousse highlighter. You can also avoid the step if you want to do it. I really like the liquid product before the powder. And now we are going to set up the face. Continuing with Huda Beauty Peach Pie Easy Bake, my favorite color, favorite powder that keeps my makeup in place for 6 to 8 hours the less. And I'm gonna take the first, I'm starting from my under eye area to set up. Then I'll have the rest of the face. Setting up. This keeps my makeup in place and matte. Very, very nice. Everything is in place, set up for many, many hours. Now what I'm going, just because it's in the warming weather, just a little of coffee. Taking my Golden Hour Face palette, which is this, which has all the bronzers, the blushes and the highlighter. Taking the bronzer to set up over the other products. And onto the nose, a little of contouring, bronzing, contouring, anything you want. The two of the blushes. At this point, I take my setting spray. I leave my setting spray a little, just to get dry a little. And onto this, I'm gonna apply my highlighter, like my blush, over my blush, which is wet. I take my highlighter and apply my onto the tip. So look how brilliant this is it, how luminous this is it. This is a tip for you, my friends. We apply our setting spray or fixing spray, and then over this, like my face is a middle wet, middle dry, we apply all, look how brilliant this is, our highlighter. I'm going to end up with my under eye area, so that I take the warm color, the dark color that I applied on the outer part of the eye to apply onto the bottom eye, just like this. I'm gonna take my highlighter so I can have onto the inner lid my highlighter, and inside I will have a brown pen that I'm gonna apply inside onto the waterline. And of course the last step is our mascara. The mascara we apply only a few, only a coat onto the bottom eye area. And of course the last step is lips. MUA Sincere nude color. And over this, my lip gloss cyan gold, which is a beautiful gold gloss. And my makeup look, my friends, is ready. This is the final result, my friends. As you see, it's a beautiful, beautiful peachy golden latte color for all of us. Look how beautiful this combine is. Combo Sincere by MUA Lip Pencil and by a Shine Lip Gloss Gold. This is a beautiful combo, my friends. I really love this. Look how nice, luminous lips are they. And of course, the rest of the face is so summery, tan, summery, bronzy look. Well, my friends, this is my recommendation for you for today. It's another video for you beginners, for all of us. Soft glam look with peachy colors, bronzy look, anything you want to say, the both of them. So my friends, if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and ring the notification bell, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you, friends!